Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a good crypto exchange platform where you can sell, buy, stake, do whatever you want with your crypto? Then you came to the right video, because in this one we will be talking about Bitget platform. We can dive deep into it in the next few minutes, but first of all, this video is
only for educational purposes. It's no financial advice.
And without any further ado, let's just see what's going on here. So guys, here we are on the platform Bitget. What's going on here and what's it all about? Well, it's a crypto exchange platform. As you can see here, Mr. Messi is here, and greatness is born from passion and perseverance. It's quite a bold statement. Here you can sign up, and the sign up is quite easy. You just put your name, put your email address, choose a password, and go through the KYC, and everything is just set in few seconds. And as you can see here, as you scroll down, everything is well laid out in a very good structure, easy to understand, easy to navigate, and of course you will find here the glimpse of what's going on the market. That's quite handy here, because here it's showing you what's trendy in terms of cryptocurrencies right now. Dogecoin is being on fire, although it's currently taking a little dip here, but everyone is looking at Dogecoin. Of course, you know Terra Luna. Many people are still believing in Terra Luna, not me, but Luna is quite popular right now. As you scroll down, you'll find that everyone is just talking about this platform right now, and you will find that everything is well laid out in front of you. Here is trustworthy crypto exchange with a lot of benefits. Well, first of all, you will have a proof of reserves, meaning that they are guaranteeing at least 1-to-1 reserve ratio for the customer fund, meaning that your money when you deposit it is reserved 1-to-1. They have a cold storage, meaning that they also store your cryptocurrencies in an offline multi-signature wallet. It's not a hot wallet, it's not an online wallet, it's a cold wallet, meaning just paper based or cold wallet away from the internet and cannot be accessed, and protected funds over 300 million USDT funds given on extra layer of protection against security threats. So here that's for your peace of mind. And here also you can find that it's available now on the App Store. If you're an iOS user, it's available on Google Play. If you're an Android user, Android APK and API as well. Here you can just start to scan this QR code here, and you can download the app on your phone or on your tablet, and you're good to go. Trade anytime, anywhere. It's quite easy, 24/7 support, and things are quite easy to use as well. Here you can start your crypto journey. You can create an account, deposit with ease, and just start trading and become a trader, as simple as that. So as you can see here, they are partnering up with many big names, Juventus, Messi, and they're also having all disclaimers over here, and they have also their Twitter account. Let's have a look at the Twitter account, and you will find that currently they're growing into almost 700,000 followers, and it's expanding by minute, and the community is growing by the minute. And as you can see here, big names also are following them. So that's quite relaxing for you, and that's also will give you a peace of mind and will give you confidence in this platform. So how to start using it, how to start getting involved in crypto in general? As I told you, you can just sign up for an account, quite easy and simple and straightforward. And here you will find that buying crypto can be used by credit or debit card. So when you have your card, Master or Visa card, you can just enter your data here, and you can just get into crypto. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you want. And here P2P trading with 0% fee, and third party, meaning that you can go to Simplex, Banaxa. You can just use whatever third party you want to use, and you will of course pay a little fees here, but generally speaking, that's also a more secure way to get your fund. And bank deposit, of course, you can use major currencies here, euros, Greater British pounds, and you can use dollars, and you can just link your account here with your bank account. So that would be quite seamless and without any fees, but of course it will take 1 or 2 business days. So it's quite simple and easy. My favorite personal here would be just buying by debit or credit card, just done in a few seconds, and you're good to go. So here you will find that trading, you can trade future tradings. You can trade for future, meaning that you can long it, you can short it, you can do whatever you want with Bitcoin. For instance, here is BTC USD, and here you will find that it's quite easy and straightforward. You can multiply your leverage over here. You can have it isolated, of course, and you can long up, and you can long up to 20x over here, even more. And then you can buy short or buy long depending on your position and your understanding of the market. My humble recommendation for you: understand the market, do your your analysis before jumping with big margins over here or with big leverage. So that's quite simply here the platform for future trading, meaning that you're betting on the price to go in a certain direction in the future. Here also you can have spot trading, meaning that you can buy the actual coin itself and leave it with you or store it or do whatever you want with it. So spot trading can be a very good option for you if you want to keep things in place and if you want to keep your coin one-to-one. You don't want to trade with leverage, you don't want to gamble too much money with your account here, and you can also spot margin trading and strategy trading. So you can also have the copy trading, which is a very hot topic right now. Overview here, copy trading, generally speaking, you will find there many successful people trading cryptocurrency, and you can just copy their trades without the understanding of what's going on in the market. So you can have future copy trading, spot copy trading, and strategy copy trading. Simply speaking, here you will find that many people are having good successful trades and you would be amused or interested in following one of them. So you can just simply copy here and you will be good to go. In a matter of few seconds or few minutes, you will be understanding how the market going and how things are evolving. And of course, this will need some level of understanding of the market as well, but the most part is done by the people you're following. So you will have a level of trust in the people you follow. So you might need to do your research before you jump and copy anyone, but generally speaking, people who are approved to be a copy trader are going through some scrutiny or just kind of proving themselves that they are good traders. And guys, as you can see here, here's an important piece of news. Bitget acquires controlling stake in Bitkeep with an additional investment at 300 million valuation. That's a very important piece of news here, and as you read it, you will understand the magnitude of that news and that investment here, and you will get more to understand that this is actually, that's a project investing in the future, and the project is developing into something major in the market. Bitget has invested 30 million in Bitkeep at 300 million valuation, and the crypto exchange is now controlling stakeholder for the wallet provider. And as you scroll down here, you will find that non-custodial growth also is well defined here, and things are similar to Binance and Trust Wallet. That's a question mark here. As you will inform yourself, you will find that it's currently aiming or hoping to compete with major names in the market and eventually even becoming the #1 spot here in the crypto exchanges. But here, that's a major step that you might need to know, and that one piece of news can be a game changer for you also as a user or as an investor. So I would highly recommend you to check it down below in the description as well, because this piece of news here will be completely and utterly important in the next few steps within the development of this project over here. And here the non-custodial growth also is related to the acquisition of controlling stake comes amid the crypto and bank collapses. I mean, you know that the tricky times we're living in right now, and you heard about the bank collapse, and things are kind of shaking here in the financial sector, but I would say crypto is currently acting as a safe haven. So you might need to really consider crypto and crypto exchanges as a mean for you to start securing your money and start investing in the cryptocurrency for your future, and at least for saving your money from inflation and the devastating effects of the financial turmoil that we're living in right now. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Bitget platform for crypto exchange. This one here has a lot of advantages, and as I told you, it's quite interesting nowadays that things are starting to move again in the market. So it's a golden opportunity for you to start informing yourself and getting more involved in the cryptocurrency space. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to check it out and inform yourself more before jumping in. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye.